Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Okay. Without this, I will not leave. Our defense secretary, I don't know if you have acknowledged her. She's here, Madam Azuka. So locate her and give her the microphone. And microphone to her. You've seen her, right?
No, we haven't seen her. We haven't seen her.
Okay. All right, Mr. Speaker, go ahead. Thank you very much.
Let her request. Oh, I've seen her. I've seen her, Madam Azuka. You are welcome. You're welcome. I just sent her the mic.
Yes, sir. The phone girl want to say something. Phone girl, you want to greet Madam Azuka?
Hello. But I just sent her a mic, so I was just saying that.
Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yes, we can hear you.
Wonderful good afternoon from here.
Our own Brgie job.
Thank you, guys.
Beautiful.
So much for your wonderful work this morning. The last speaker, a kind of cocked it. Honestly, this is an amazing presentation, and I must thank you guys that you guys are doing a very, very fantastic job. And the world must hear our voice. Freedom is not given, it is taken. And it's only those who have the heart and can do this. So if we can cry me a river without putting much effort, without being courageous to take what belongs to you, I don't think we're going to make any headway. Because what is facing us is Islamization. It's only remaining 2 years. Nigeria and everybody must hear this. All our politicians must hear this. That's only 2 years remaining for them to accomplish their mission. And that 2 years, they will officially register Nigeria as Islamic State. And there is nothing you can do about it. Talking about 1999 Constitution will be a mirage. Or is a mirage of what is to come. Sharia law will be introduced after 2 years. So we will fight and fight to the last. And like I always say, if they think that 1969, 67 to 70 is going to repeat itself, I dare them. The gospel they should receive is that it's not going to, it and happen. Okay? So my brothers and my sisters, all we want you guys to do is to keep pushing, keep doing what you're doing. Do not be discouraged by mere distractions from, everywhere, because we're going to deal with them one after the other. And these are the prophecies that Mazi Nandekanu said. There'll be mountains that we're going to cross. Those are the mountains that we're going to, climb. But I tell you, we're very, very close. We're at the 11th hour, so nobody should get discouraged, because Nigeria will be destroyed beyond human construction. So, and there is nothing they can do about it. Nigeria has expired. Everything about Nigeria is fake. And we don't want to live in that fake region anymore. Biafra is our mission. Biafra is the thing. That is it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you and your recognition. And I must stop from here. Thank you. I'm listening.
Oh, thank you. We really appreciate you for coming in. We really, really appreciate you. You don't know the kind of joy you give to us. You don't know. You don't really understand it. It's beyond your understanding, I tell you. You are the reason why we come up here every day to shout. Because we know we have capable hands, reliable hands in you people. And you are doing marvelously well. I tell you, the God of our ancestors will never, ever forget all your efforts. They will remember you, and they will bless you, and they will bless your generation. What most of us don't realize is that we are making a name for ourselves. Centuries, generations will talk about us in that land. They will talk about us. And that is why I feel ashamed when people come and they are detractors. They don't know that they are rubbing their faces in the shame of infirmity, because they will remember them for their wickedness to their own kind. That is why I love and I respect each and every one of you. My heart is full of joy when I see you people come around because you are the reason why we are here. If you aren't doing the needful, oh, of course, there is nothing we can do because talking is not enough. It is the doing that really makes things happen. So we appreciate you all. We really appreciate you. Mazi Success, we love you. Madam Azuka, our great Umwaga. The people Mazi Namdekano was hoping to show up. And then when you show up, every change here, I tell you, we are so happy and we are so proud of you. And I just think I should play this song again because my heart is so full of joy. I should play this song again because it is necessary that I play this song. I tell you, it is necessary. Where is this song? You must come quickly because I have to play you. You people are a joy. You are a joy, I tell you. Come on! We must play this song. Uh-huh. Oh, yes. Yaga, yaga, yaga. Anaga, yaga. It is happening. Mm. You're gonna be proud where you come from. Come on. And this is oh, yes. Tell me to the children. Original. Come on. Uh-huh. Oh, yes. I want to get over original. Confirm. Send this message across the nation and tell the children of the rising sun how original you are. That's right. That's right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Success. Thank you, Madam Azuka, our beautiful lady. Thank you, Alpha, Ifeanyi Warrior, for showing up. We must continue. Take it up from the first. Take it up from there. We must continue.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you, our own Ebeche Jago. Thank you, and we appreciate everybody that is speaking, everybody that is on the space, both the spies, the enemy, and the real Biafrans. Everybody is welcome because we want them to continue. They will all hear our voice. They will all hear our messages, and I'm just laughing because I'm happy. Our own Madam Azuka, just like Goodman said, I second that prayer. Chukwu Kabiama will continue to empower you guys, open every door, and then in the soonest, they will all hear our story. They will all hear our voice. And those that say that over their dead body will Biafra come, they should all get ready and make sure that the other day we treated a topic where it was opening a coffin business. We are running a casket business in Nigeria. How is it thriving? Business. So they should come and come to me because I have a lot of coffin caskets with their names on it. Everybody that say Biafra over their dead body will Biafra come. We have caskets ready for them and we will bury them and Biafra will come. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone, the government of Biafra and Success for letting us know. And we must continue. We must continue. Ifeanyi, you want to say something on Phone Girl before we move on?
Thank you, my brothers. And I want to appreciate every one of us. I just see our own big madam in the house, our own Madam Azuka. We concur to the prayers that our brother Goodman have already prayed. That before you guys will get to any door, that door will be open before you get there. And any office that you guys will enter, they will be loyal to you people, not you guys being loyal to them. They will be loyal to you people in the mighty name of Chukwu Kikabiama. I thank you all for what you guys are doing. It's because of what you guys are doing that made us to hope that the great Biafra will come up again, that the greatness of Biafra will manifest again, that mankind will see it and they will praise and adore Elohim Chukwu Kikabiama in this planet Earth, in our lifetime, not behind us in few Days from now, Elohim will begin his work. We thank you. We congratulate you guys. May Elohim continue to bless you all. In the mighty name of Chukwu Okike Abiama. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you once again.
He said, all
Say,
right.
he said, watching it. He
Fun
said,
girl, you want to
Dale,
say something or we'll continue? Because we have the vote of no confidence is still going on. The link is on the Jumbotron. Our Prime Minister just posted it again. And I will advise everyone to go there and vote. Make sure you read it. I had to read it again before I clicked the wrong button. And but make sure you read it again and then understand the what you're answering and then pick the right answer. We're not going to tell you what to choose, but if you're a Biafran, you already know what answer to choose. So the link is on the Jumbotron. Go there, make sure that you vote. And also the flyer for the 29th May is out and the link to the Zoom is out. So get yourself ready. We're all going to be there. We're going to be there and support our government, support everybody that is working tirelessly for Biafra to come. And we're going to make a register our voices too. Register, make sure that they understand how Biafrans feel. That when we say that we reject these people, these criminals, these intellectuals that are in our land, that are committing all these atrocities, that are supervising, financing the killing of their own people, and we make our voices heard when we pass a vote of no confidence on every single one of them, and then we will open the gate of hell, because every single one of them, like we always say, the land of Biafra can never contain all of us. They have done more evil than Fulanis themselves. Like we always say, they have done more atrocities than Fulanis themselves. And we must continue. We must continue. Our topic still remains: how great are Biafrans? That we mean Biafrans, the greatest of the great. We're not just saying it; it is a fact. It is a fact. We are the greatest of all time. We are the greatest because we have people that can stand up in the face of oppression and say, "Not to my people. Enough is enough." That's what makes us great. When other people are crying, when in the middle belt they are shouting, "Oh, the international community, come save us," Biafra people said, "Not, never again." Biafran said, "Not in our land we will allow Fulani to come and massacre our people and leave," and then nothing happens. Because we know that the government, according to T.Y. Dajuba, the government are the ones sponsoring it. He said, any insecurity that lasts over 12 hours or 48 hours, the government's hand is on it. This is a former chief of staff. This is not somebody that is, like they make us believe that, oh, this is just somebody else, ordinary Nigerian. He's not ordinary Nigerian. A former chief of staff said that the military collude with the terrorists that are killing us. The ethnic cleansing. The other day we saw over 2,000 Boko Haram released. And where did they put them? In the military. And they sent them to Biafra land to go and massacre our people, to kill our people. And Biafran says, never again. Never again we will allow them to come massacre innocent women and children, defenseless women and children, and then go scot-free and nobody does anything. No international body, nothing. We talked about just a few days ago when they claimed they acted the movie in Anambra State, claiming that somehow, supposedly, convoy were attacked in Anambra State. And you look at even the video evidence was false. Everything about that stinks of corruption. Well, because why did they do that? To divert everybody's attention from what's going on in Plateau State, where they are massacring people in their hundreds overnight. The same Sunday, they went and attacked Benue State again. The killing has never stopped. People are crying. But guess what? The killing is not happening in Biafra land because we took a proactive measure. We said, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said, we can never allow it to happen again. That's what makes us smart. That's what makes us great. It doesn't matter what name you call us. You can call us terrorists. You can call us secessionists. You can call us whatever name you deem fit. But one thing we promise every single one of them, and the Zoo and Lai Mohammed that is going from one country to another, crying about IPOB raising fraud, is that we can never allow you to kill our people and go free. That can never happen again. That's why we don't hear these stories. That's why you don't see a preacher that should be preaching about, their supposedly salvation in the church in Biafra land, crying about killings. It no longer happens. Who made it possible? The Biafra Republic government in exile. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. These are people that made it possible. Great, great Biafrans. That's what makes us great. Go ahead, Okesin, Omichus. Funga, you want to say something before we move to Okesin?
Yeah, real quick. I just wanted to acknowledge our sister, Madam Azuka. Thank you so much for speaking to us. That is just a great encouragement to all of us to keep doing what we are doing in our own little way that we can to support you guys. And I concur all the prayers that were prayed. everything that you guys are doing, it will be easy for you all in the name of Chukwukabiam. He say, and Prince Nkem, I've been trying to approve you, is not going through, so maybe you can go out and come back again and request so I can approve you to come and speak. Thank you. Continue. Okay, Sin, you can go ahead.
Thank you, my people. Let me start again. I will repeat my greetings once again to all of you in the house. You are doing great jobs, motivating us and steering this train to a higher grade. And special greeting also to our only honorable Madam Azuka. Thanks a lot. You are doing great. You and your mother as a very strong stem that is holding this tree stay firmly on the ground. Thank you very much. And the question today is very sensitive, like always. How great is Biafra? Of course, Biafra is very great. If Biafra is not great, I don't think that all the world, all the rest of the world, the whole world will conspire and continue to conspire to hold Biafra down. Because the conspiracy is not a mere say, it is natural, and it is only because of how greatness Biafra is. That's why they don't want to let us go. And it is not by accident or mistake that Biafra is situated where it is today. 0 degree longitude, 0 degree latitude of equator. It's not by accident. God placed us there purposely. Please, we should continue to hammer on this awareness to many of us who still don't believe or know their virtues, know what they have being a Biafran. I must tell you the truth. If many Biafrans rich, knowledgeable, advanced, whatever, if only they know what they have, they will be the ones even fighting to get Biafra today. Because assuming you are worth $5 million US or 10 million, you will worth triple that sum if you are a free Biafran, if your land is free. But many don't seem to know that. How then can anyone explain a state like Abia, Imo, is not in classified as South-South, but somewhere Ogoja, Benin, Delta will be given that status of South-South? Is it justifiable? It's only one of the ploys to hold these people down. In fact, truth be told, when the Europeans were scrambling to dismantle or separate Africans in their 1884 whatever in Berlin, their main focus was to make sure that Biafra never grows. In fact, the rest of the Africa might not even be others on their mind. Biafra was their target. Until today, they will do everything to make sure that this great country does not achieve their purpose. A place where you can plant anything, seasons round, anytime of the year, and you will still harvest something fruitful out of it. Doesn't happen in most of parts of the world, but you get that in Biafra. Plus the abundant mineral resources that are been tapped and not yet tapped, hidden elsewhere. In fact, the greatness of Biafra is not only to be seen, they are more spiritual than what is there to be seen. Because one hidden thing is, if I could remember some of the films we used to watch in those days about the good, the bad, Zeus on the net, the devil. Whenever the Satan points somebody who did
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.